get off of that part. Where's the other piece of this frog? That's his feet. What?
You're so cute.
You see the you. Ha? Where is that? That might be over there. There's the other lad.
Finish your puzzle so you can help your brother.
I don't want help.
That's the horsey's feet. Last piece. Put it in. Put the last piece in. Put the last piece in. Can you say Nick?
What?
Look at me.
I
Say Nick. Say Nick in your face. Say I beat your butt.
That's not fair. You have to ease your puzzle.
He's also a quarter of your age.
No, he still should have done
Not even a quarter. Less than a
He
quarter of your age.
still should have had a harder puzzle like me.
Why?
Because he should have.
He'll help you if you want help.
I